Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on calculating area. Area. As we saw in an earlier video, area is the measure of the amount of flat surface which is contained within the boundaries of a flat shape. The shapes we will look at in this video will have straight lines. Units of area. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in centimetres, the area is stated in square centimetres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in metres, the area is stated in square metres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in kilometres, the area is stated in square kilometres. The square unit. Area is measured in square units. This square has an area of 1 square centimetres. So in short, the area is 1 square centimetre. And that's how you write a square centimetre. That's the short way. Here's a square with length of 1 metre by 1 metre. So the area is 1 square metre. Here's a square 1 kilometre by 1 kilometre. So the area is 1 square kilometre. So the area of a square. The formula for the area of a square is area equals s squared, where s is the length of the sides. Remember, all the sides of a square are equal. Example 1. Find the area of the square with sides 4 centimetres. So here's a square, 4 centimetres and 4 centimetres. So the area is 4 centimetres times 4 centimetres, which is 16 square centimetres. Example 2. Find the area of the above flower bed. We know the area is s squared. Since the sides are each 2 metres, the area is 2 metres by 2 metres, which is 4 square metres. The area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is area equals length times width, and the units are square units. The area of this rectangular garden bed is, now it's 3 metres long and 2 metres wide, so it's 3 metres times 2 metres, which is 6 square metres. So here we said square units, but when we know that the lengths are metres, then the units are square metres, and that applies to any other unit whatsoever.